Dino Dash and the Magic Splash. Written by Big Feelings, Little Friends. Roar! First, I'm feeling really frustrated. That's how we have to start. Have you ever worked on something really hard? Something grown-ups don't understand, but us kids think it's really smart? It's something I can't quite prove. I just feel it in my heart. I'm going to be a dinosaur if my mom just plays her part. My stomach growls for dino nuggets like a T-Rex loves to roar. Dino nuggets, give me more.
Dash, it's time for lunch.
My mom calls out loud. I stomp my way to the table, but I can't believe what she'd put down. Roar, stomp, pow, dino nuggets now. My mom looks at me with a frown.
It's PB&J for lunch today. Try it, Dash. It could be your fave. Try it. It's different, but that's okay. It's sweet and sticky. It's today's feast. Peanut butter and jelly, our lunchtime treat.
But I scream, no surrender, no defeat. I'm a dinosaur. I know what I want to eat. Roar! Dino nuggets, mommy, your sticky treat just can't compete.
Dash,
Mommy says.
you seem really upset. Let's take some super Dino Breaths to help you manage all this stress. Deep breath in through your nose. Hold it close, now roar and let it go nice and slow.
I try the Dino Breaths with a big inhale. Then I roar it all out like a T-Rex wails. Roar!
Better?
She asks, and I nod my head.
It's time for magic.
My mom then said. Magic, I mumble. Well, I guess. She winks and whispers.
Just say yes. PB&J may make you sticky, but magicians have tricks to fix the icky. Watch me take a bite of this treat. Oh no, my hands are sticky and sweet. But wait, alakazam, alakaboom. Watch what this wet napkin could do. Wipe, and brand new. The magic napkin worked for me too.
I stare at her, wide-eyed with delight. I try a bite, and oh, it's all right. My hands are sticky, but that's okay. Alakazam, alakaboom, watch what this wet napkin can do. Wipe, and brand new. The magic napkin worked for me too. Suddenly, I feel proud and brave. Today, I started as Dino Dash, but as quick as a flash, now I'm Dash the Dazzler with tricks that are quite spectacular.